so the light's better, huh?
Here, kiddo. Can you do it one more time?
Sing it for Daddy and sit right there.
A, B, C, D.
Well, wait. Ready?
Okay. Now go. Sing your ABC.
Sing your ABC.
Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Yay! Can you do the whole thing?
Sing your ABCs for Mama.
Are you getting shy? A, B. More ABCs?
Okay.
Okay.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, a book.
There's a book, yeah. Good job, Aria. Those were really good ABCs. Thank you for singing them. Good job. Give me 5. Wanna do it again? Yeah. Good job. Yay.
Mommy, do it.
She wants to give you 5.
You want Mommy? Good job.
Are you in a big girl's chair? You can't even come close to touching the ground in that chair, huh? You climb up on it, huh? Hey, Aria. Are we gonna go to Bookman's?
Okay.
Is it gonna be fun?
Dada.
Yeah? Oh yeah. Can you go? They go, ah. Can you sing happy birthday?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ah, yeah. Happy Papa. Happy birthday, Mama.
Yay! Good job.
Happy